GTR is set up primarily to focus purely on the production of carbon fibre components. We service more than half of the current Formula One grid. We also supply supercar manufacturers and some of the oil industry demands and aerospace. There probably aren't that many companies around the country, or possibly in the world, that machine to the standards that we now machine since we've got the Zimmermann FZU 400.
Yeah.
We couldn't have offered the fine machining of the chassis that we've been producing for years. Such are the limits and the accuracy required. Before we took on the FZU 400, it has increased our ability to take on the next stage of work.
And what are those tolerances that you're chasing on the chassis?
On a large chassis, typically 0.05 of a millimetre, but on particular holes or counterbores, etc., that can come down to 10 or 20 microns. And we're hitting those limits and pleasing our customers whilst our competitors can't. I think it's just choosing the right machine, but as importantly, the right supplier, and what that supplier can offer as a backup. We've had some horror stories with different makes of machine, but this time we've chosen correctly. The training that Kingsbury have provided with the machine and that Zimmermann have provided was first class. It was excellent in pretty much every way. I think they quickly got a grasp of the level of ability of our staff during the training and then focused on the points that needed focusing on. Richard is always there on the phone if needed at Kingsbury, and their backup and service could not be any better. Our choice was also reinforced by our experience of Richard and Kingsbury with the way they've supported us with Hermleys that we've purchased from Kingsbury's in the past. So experience did help us with our decision.